What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with my son Ollie, and we are going to be installing a carbon fiber diffuser that my girlfriend bought for me. It is the Autokits V2. Show you guys what it looks like. Took about a couple months to make. Looks pretty dope. Just gonna give it a little more clean look on the rear end of my car. So before we get started, I took the license plate off. I'm gonna wipe it down, make sure the surface is clean. It's gonna be a pretty easy install. Pretty much it's gonna be double-sided tape and these two brackets that hold onto the bumper of my car. So pretty much what I'm going to do is heat this up, let it mold onto the car, and then get it on there. So let's get this install started. So after cleaning the surface on the rear, we're going to pop these two little tabs right here and right here out, so that the bracket can mount to them when I mount the diffuser on. One. Bam! And there goes two. So I made sure that this thing is going to stay on good, so I drilled a hole right there so that I can zip tie it to there. Alright, instead of using these plastic tab things, I used the same nuts, bolts, and washers from my splitters. I don't know if you watched my install on that, but basically that's how the brackets are being held down. And it's on there pretty good, so pretty simple install. I might need to adjust the exhaust just a tad bit, but I'll bring that to the shop and make the slight adjustments. It'll do for now, but that is the install on the Autokits V2 diffuser. Thank you again to my girlfriend for buying this for me. It looks amazing on my car. And till next time, peace.